the people we partner with out there. It's global. We're in a global village. So basically what you communicate has significant influence to our partners we work with and the product that we develop. I also felt a mission change because it's 10 minutes for something which I needed like 3 or 4 hours to be able to pass this message. Until when we come out of here, we are like, we are Christians say we are born again. Yeah. So I'm going to just go to give a glimpse of what is happening within the country, and I'm going to be focusing more on what we call genetic engineering. And genetic engineering in terms of application has been currently 2 main ways. We have genetic modification where we have GMOs, and we have the current kid on the block, what we call gene editing. I'm going to explain in a few minutes what it means. But before we go to the status, when the ban was lifted, the communication that was coming out was like, there's a new science that has been born in Kenya. But I can tell you, science began long time ago. Over 8,000 years BC, that's when we started domestication. And we started domesticating by selecting what we needed. And we can only thank our forefathers because they took the risk. A number died trying to test exactly what is good for us. So we should be very appreciative of our forefathers, because what we eat today is a selection over many years. And not only selecting, but they have been improving. When you look at the maize, the original maize, it was like my finger. But the current maize, I'm sure you know the size. And that is because of a genetic improvement. We are what our genetic makeup is all about. When you are asked about did you eat genes today, a number you might not even realize. But the meat you ate today contains cells. If you did your original biology, simple biology, the cell is the smallest unit, and inside that cell you have your genetic makeup. So when you are eating that meat, you did not remove the DNA. You actually consumed. So we have consumed tons and tons of genetic material, but we have never thought about it. But move on to 1865, where I think the science changes, and we are told this guy who was a monk decided to see how are we getting to know the things we are seeing. Why are we different? And he was able to show that there is an inherent attribute